Ready? Okay. This is DandynLena. She's out of HIckorynLena, stallion, out of Ollies, Peppy girl, mare, and the mare goes back to Gallo Del Cielo. That's her granddaddy. And Gallo Del Cielo was a Hall of Fame horse. I think there were 3 of those full brothers: Patty's Irish Whiskey, and then Gray Starlight, and then Gallo Del Cielo. But that's her granddaddy on the mare side. Her daddy side's Doc's Hickory, DandynLena. We're just gonna do some ground exercises on her. We've been fooling with her about a month. Some things we've got her doing pretty good. We've got them turning around good. Lateral flexing, just being comfortable being around them. They've been real nice to halter break. There we go, that's a beautiful turnaround. Good. We got them backing up. Lateral flexes on them. There we go. Good girl. She's real level-headed and cooperative. I like that about her. She does everything we ask her to do. Lateral flexion exercises we teach our colts, just so whenever it comes time to break them, when you pull them this direction, they're ready to turn that head and give you their head.